How to use Microsoft Excel slicers. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you are looking to build a Microsoft Excel slicer, you can do so by simply using it in a pivot chart, or you can use many other ways to build a slicer, whether it's in the form of a pivot chart or whether your data is in the form of a sheet. Now for this, you guys can see we have to choose the pivot chart field. So we're going to go with column 2 and 1. And then after that, we can just close this out as well. And this would add our chart options. Now, there are two ways to use a slicer. A slicer basically helps us in finding and categorizing information from larger bodies of text. And you can do so by simply selecting the pivot chart that you have. And once you go into your pivot chart, you will see an option on your top which says Pivot Table Analyze. And you can click on Insert Slicer, and you can insert any type of slicer that you want, and you can filter out that information like this. So we have this type of slicer now. All our columns are divided. Then if you have a table, so on the same Excel sheet over here, I also do have a table. I'm just going to remove these. And this is my little table on the top left. And if I want to add a slicer for this table data, I can just click on Insert, and I will just select my table. And I can click on Slicer on the top. I can choose the slicer that I want, and just like that, I would have a slicer. And I can add filters to that as well, like so. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.